In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite. So the first thing you want to do is look up Meta Business Suite right over here and make sure to go ahead and log in using your Facebook account. So I'm going to be logging in really quickly. Okay, then once you're over here, you're going to see this section that says connect password, and you just want to go ahead and press on that. So from here, you're able to go ahead and connect your account. Keep in mind that only an Instagram professional account can be connected to a Facebook page, and this connection may be viewable by others. So let's go ahead and do it. So let's select on login to Instagram, or you guys can go ahead and press on create a new Instagram profile. So let's just log in. All right, so if your Instagram account is not a professional account, you're easily able to go ahead and switch to a professional account. So just be sure to go ahead and log in, and I'll be right back with you guys once I log in. All right, then it might ask you for something that looks like this. So you can go ahead and select on creator or business, press on X, then press on next, and then go ahead and select on a category, and then press on done. Then select on continue just like so. All right, then afterwards press on done and you should be good to go, and your personal Instagram account will now be a business account, which you will need to do in order to connect your account to Meta Business Suite. So anyways, you can go ahead and close out of it, and then this time press on continue one more time and I'll log in. And then after you do that, it is going to ask you to confirm the connection, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.